oppose. Respect. Respect. We oppose. We oppose. We oppose. We oppose. We oppose. Respect. 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 We oppose. We oppose. We oppose. We oppose. Respect. 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 Respect.
And we organize this rally to show our dislike of the disagreement with border fencing to the BRTF, and we would like to express our sentiments, emotion to the BRTF personnel here. And we don't like coming to straight to the point. We don't like this border fencing, and we are totally opposed of this border fencing because we know that this is a security issue, the national security. But then, as far as the security in the BRTF, here there is no security issue here, and this place is totally peaceful. And in some places, this border fencing is so old because of this wildlife, this migration of these wild animals and wildlife. But here we are not talking about wildlife; we are talking about human beings. Infar is not accessible here for us. Infar is not. We cannot go to Infar, and these are only lifeline. And if you are here to cut off these are main lifeline, it even if we can open border fencing for wildlife, why not for the people of these villages? Are we more less important than the wild animals? No, we are more important than wild animals. And then since Indian independence, we the people of this village, this area, are guarding the border of this Myanmar.